Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Cubot Note 50. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now click open and then click agree and continue. Then you can close this ad and now click allow and click consent. And now you can click this button to start your VPN and then click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.